हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल अपनी स्कूल।
अगर आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और हाँ, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको बर वक्त मिलती रहे।
डियर स्टूडेंट, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सिंग एन इंटरेस्टिंग पोएम जस्ट नाउ। लिसन, रिपीट, सिंग एंड इनैक्ट। फर्स्ट I sing this poem and you repeat after me. Okay, let's start. Found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut just now. Just now. I found a peanut, found a peanut just now. Crack it open, crack it open, crack it open just now. Just now. I crack it open just now. Add the peanut, add the peanut, add the peanut just now. Just now. I add the peanut just now. Got a stomachache, got a stomachache, got a stomachache just now. Just now. I got a stomachache just now. Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now. Just now. Call the doctor just now. Operation, operation, operation just now. Just now. Operation, operation just now. Feeling better, feeling better, feeling better just now. Just now. I'm feeling better just now. Bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor just now. Just now. Bye bye doctor just now. Okay student, you sing this poem and enjoy yourself. I say goodbye to you. Thank you.